There's a moment when a familiar product quietly evolves, and you realize it's no longer meant just for desks or nightstands. That's exactly what's happening here. Welcome back to Buy with Confidence. Today, we're taking a close look at the Amazon Echo Max, the newest model in the Echo family, finished in graphite. This is Amazon's most powerful, yet designed for living rooms and medium-sized spaces, with nearly 3 times the base of the 2022 Echo, built-in smart home control, and support for the latest Alexa Plus experience. If you want fuller sound without stepping up to a large speaker, this one deserves your attention. You'll find the purchase link waiting in the description below. The Echo Max is for listeners who value clean, room-filling audio, practical smart home features, and a device that quietly adapts to daily life. It matters because it reshapes what a can realistically replace. Reason number 1. Noticeably richer sound presence. The biggest upgrade is sound. With nearly 3x the base, the Echo Max produces depth and clarity that feels composed rather than forced. Vocals stay clear, lows remain controlled, and the sound scales comfortably for living rooms without distortion. It's a confident step forward for casual listening. Reason number 2. Audio that adapts to your room. Automatic room tuning allows playback to adjust based on placement and acoustics. Whether it's on a shelf or side table, the sound stays balanced. This makes ownership simple. No tweaking, no settings to manage, just consistent results. Reason number 3. Built-in smart home hub convenience. Unlike earlier dots, this model includes a smart home hub. You can connect lights, locks, and sensors directly, reducing clutter and setup complexity. For smart homes in progress, this adds real long-term value to. Reason number 4. OmniSense for smarter routines. OmniSense technology enables routines triggered by temperature or presence. Lights can adjust when you enter a room, or climate actions can happen automatically. These subtle automations quickly become habits you rely on. Reason number 5. Faster, more natural Alexa performance. Powered by the AZ3 chip and designed for Alexa Plus, responses feel quicker and more conversational. From reminders to multi-step requests, interactions are smoother and less repetitive, improving everyday usability. Reason number 6. Flexible pairing and expansion. Pair 2 Echo Max units for richer stereo sound, connect across rooms, or link with compatible Fire TV devices for a compact home theater experience. It grows with your setup rather than limiting it. Reason number 7. Clean design with privacy focus. The understated spherical design blends into most spaces, while physical microphone controls and layered privacy protections reinforce trust. It's reassuring, especially for shared living areas. Reason number 8. Strong reputation and long-term reliability. This model builds on a proven ecosystem, trusted by many 5-star reviewers. Software updates, broad device compatibility, and ongoing Alexa improvements help protect your investment over time. Final verdict. The Echo Max isn't meant to replace a full-size hi-fi speaker, and audiophiles may still want dedicated systems. But for its size, it delivers impressive sound, smarter automation, and meaningful upgrades that justify its place in larger rooms. It's best for users who want balanced audio, reliable smart home control, and a refined Alexa experience without excess complexity. If this sounds like the right fit for your space and habits, take a moment to explore the link in the description. As always, choose what supports your lifestyle best and buy with confidence.